Monica.
Hey, Kasiwewe.
The Jay-Z body comedian.
How you visit me like this?
I bring drink.
Thank you. How you dey now?
You know say my papa say, now who first enter river, then know where river for deep.
Your papa go sabi swim. Oh.
if you insist.
Okay.
So you know my show is coming up 10th of May.
Yeah.
MC Casino Funny by Nature.
Funny by nature.
I look
really
am.
funny.
I look at him and say, I want to come meet you, bros.
Okay.
May you give me some scope. Because your first show in the hotel was a massive sold out. People can't find where to sit down. So what will be the secret?
You know, say Igbo people say na small pikin. What a kochaka.
What did that one mean for English?
Where small pikin wash hands, you go eat with elders.
I bet not vessel. It's your parable. So not be say not good though. Not be say what Igbo people talk not good though. But I beg, this parable who be the small pikin for inside and who be the elders? Make I all know my position.
I dey tell you something. You say how they sell out the culture.
Because you know about you they say small pikin. Small. Now be small pikin for your eye. I get 3 children. If you want to advise me. Which one be small pikin washing and clean? Which
you get 3 children. A hotel na child's play. Na children matter dey ground. I make your children go food the hotel now.
No, not beside the verse. Just that this parable, I just feel somehow.
Na parable, you go calm down. Make they know they use pride. They raise shoulder. Because they find advice. Make I tell you. Now because I say you be my guy. Okay. First, it may not be like say I know they help people. They give new guests. You know those they call it nuggets. So this nugget, yes, if me and you suppose shoot by 12, you come by 3. You come here and say you dey sleep. And you want do me 10 for a hotel. Now terror culture you dey do.
Okay, who they do show for a hotel, not they sleep.
You don't go sleep. Which one you are not capital letter.
So I don't sleep.
Now why Bible say why men slept? You go to sleep. You know how many table don't go down those periods where you dey sleep.
Oh shaky, I don't take that one. Say that shall not sleep.
That shall not sleep.
1.
No blink safe. Then number 2. You need to get all those girls, all those prostitutes then. You know, both male and female prostitutes. You go there outside.
I don't understand. Bro.
You go there outside. Anywhere you see party, whether they invite you or they don't invite you, go there.
And how would they buy tickets?
They know they buy, but they will lead you to the destination of ticket. You get people, you get Ashabo for Lagos.
No, I just new come now.
Thank you. That's where Makana come in.
Makana, that comedian.
The comedian, yes.
When like the
Now the Ashabo Makana make a leg day like that. You need him for this your show. You see when I did my show, round they go round. Come be like say I be Rama too. I get plug. So you now will be your first time. That was my first time. So I bought a lot. I bought like 100 rams.
oh, my buy 100 ram.
No, I said I bought like 100.
So I mean
Because of my squad.
your show.
Yes, you now you need to target like 40.
40 ram.
40 to 50 rams.
No, not be Salah they do. You dey get it wrong. Go. Not be Salah. And my name not be Sergio Ramos. Even Sergio Ramos.
No be wetin make me sell out a hotel, I tell you.
Sergio Ramos not fit buy 40 ram, bro. If you want advise me.
Bro, you ready to wash your hand?
I don't even know why I will commit yourself. Now comedians when they stay Lagos. Now they say mami, you dey say Shago Tedo to Edo 2 hours. Shago Tedo to Ikeja 6 hours. I don't blame you.
You from Benin want to a hotel.
I don't blame you, bro. Don't shake it, bros. I dey carry my drink up. But I warn you, I don't want to see you for my show.
I go cut down your show.
I don't want to see you for my show.
I
don't want to see you for my show. Make that I don't want to see you for my show.
May you never be well with
May you never be well with you.
I know they like this kind of thing, though. You come my house, all the
prostitute, a shower. They tell me make I go follow a shower. Make I go they follow prostitutes. And when you come my house, my wife give you food. You want to break my marriage. You want to break my marriage, bitch.
Now your wife will do us.
It's MC Casino, Funny by Nature, live in Eco Hotels, Lagos. Happening live on the 10th of May, 2026. Tickets, Platinum Table, 3 million Naira. Gold Table, 2 million Naira. VIP, 25K. And regular, 10K. Tickets are available at ariatickets.com. For partnership and participation, please call 0814-760-3678.